Welcome back to Mohawk-Garage, and this is Vice Grip Line Lock. So, after a very brief practice burnout session, I am showing belts on the tires here. I'm gonna say those were broken, but when I got them, yeah, those were probably already wore out. So, gonna rotate the tires here now, and while I'm at it, the rear brakes are just a little too much. So I'm going to show you how to modify your stock car to be a burnout car. All right, headed into Harbor Freight for one thing. Oh, but look at that. One thing, I'm here for one thing. Oh, but I could definitely use that. One thing, I'm here for one thing. One thing. Oh my gosh, they got stuff. One thing, I'm here for one thing. Find it, you better get there. Ooh, I could definitely use a new gas can. One thing, I'm here for one thing. Gotta get this one thing. Where you at? Oh, ooh. One thing, here for one thing. All right, right here. Three pairs of those. Okay, so I went to Harbor Freight. I got me some of these little needle nose locking pliers here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move the wheel. This one's got good tread on it right now. I'm going to find the brake hose, and I'm going to put these locking pliers on the brake hose to pinch off the rear brakes completely. That way, when I do a brake stand and I got all front brakes on, I'm not dragging these rear brakes while I'm trying to do a burnout. Get them on there just as tight as you can get them, because there's a lot of pressure in a brake system, 400 or 500 psi. So you want to be able to pinch all that off and then burn out.